The plant pictured here is Malus domestica, the apple. Apple trees have a widely spreading habit and can get up to 30 feet tall. However, commercially, you'll find a lot of growers use dwarf apples because it makes harvesting easier. The bark is smooth and gray with raised lenticels, looking somewhat like the bark of some of the prunus species we've covered. One distinctive trait of Malus domestica is that it has dwarf shoots. Now you'll see these on the pear and also on the peach as well, but these dwarf shoots are particularly prominent in winter once the leaves have fallen off. The leaves themselves are not very distinctive. They are alternate. They have serrate teeth margins. The main thing that can be said for apple leaves is that they are very variable. It's not that common to find such perfectly uniform leaves as this picture shows. You'll find that a lot of times with apples, the leaves vary widely in shape, in size, and even in leaf margin. Sometimes they'll have more wavy or even entire leaf margins. So if you're looking at a fruit tree that has highly variable leaves, apple is a good guess. Here you can see an apple leaf that looks quite a bit different from the previous picture. The leaf shape here is more elliptic than ovate. The leaf margins seem a bit more crenate than serrate, so again, that variability exists. For the leaf underside, it can be somewhat pubescent, and the veins are very prominent on the leaf underside. They're actually raised so that you could feel them if you rubbed your fingers over them. Malus domestica is in the rose family, so again we have flower parts in fives. Apple flowers are typically white, with the outside of the petals being pink or even a dark reddish pink color. And here, of course, is the apple fruit, which is born in the fall. It's going to be several inches in diameter and can be green, yellow, or red in color. It is considered a pome fruit, and often it will have somewhat of a waxy coating covering it, as shown here. So with that, we conclude our discussion of Malus domestica, the apple.